Operation on numbers. For the operation on number, BODMAS is the rule which we have studied in the schooling days. Bracket order, division for D, multiplication for M, addition for E, subtraction for S, BODMAS. See, we can give the addition. Suppose we have assigned the A is equal to 5, okay, then B is equal to 6, and then we suppose written the print statement and given A plus B inside the print statement. It will return us 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. We can see here. Similarly, subtraction. A is 15 we have given, B is 6 we have given. In print statement we have mentioned this A, this A, this B, this B, okay. Inside print statement A minus B, this will give 9, right? This is subtraction. Similarly, for the multiplication, 5 6 are 30, and similarly for the division, here 15 is equal to 15, B 3, what will be the division? Division will be 5.0. Now you will say, why this float number? By default, division returns us the default value. Okay, you can change this into int value also by typecasting. In future we will see that those type of the typecasting also. Float division return integer output. What is float division? A is equal to 15, B is equal to 6, and in print statement, see, this kind of structure is the float division. See, inside the print statement we have given A // B. This kind of structure is called as the float division, which gives us the complete division. Means suppose 15 is divided by the 6, what is the whole division we get? 6 to the 12. After that 3 is remained. Okay, so what happens with this? The 3 is the remainder. So for this 3 we cannot divide by the 6, so complete division is of 2. Therefore we get the float division as 2. Okay, for the float division the syntax is like this: a // B. Have you seen this? Okay, this is a similar thing. Not a difference. See, after running this I get this value. Okay, this is the, it is nothing but the conversion of the one data into other data type. What? Conversion of one data into other data type. Suppose list 1 we have given here. See, list 1 we have given here is equal to, suppose this list we have given. Okay, so this list will return 10 20 30 as a list. Now we will typecast it into set. Suppose A is the variable we created, is equal to set, and inside set we are passing this list 1, this one. So it will return as A is equal to 10 20 30 with curly brackets. Okay, so typecasting into set, we get the curly brackets like this. When we print here list, we get the square bracket. If we typecast it into set with this method, we get the curly bracket for this set. Int into float. To convert the int value, A is equal to 10, then we assign, suppose variable B is equal to float. Passing the A inside this, we will get B is equal to float. Okay, next part what we have done, we will get that B, which is this B, is equal to, or C, we will give new name, we will give C is equal to int of B, because the B is the float value we have get here, this. So if we put this B into this, and for the typecasting we mention here int, so if we will print our this C, we will get the again int value. It is int or not, it is checked by type of C. See, it's int. Okay, in this way we can typecast. Here the int into string we have typecasted. How? This is S, we will create variable, side variable what we have given str of, we are passing here, suppose C we have passed, this C, this C. Now here it is int, but after passing into str it will give type, see, type of S. Okay, we will give it inside print statement, print type of S class str, we can see. Got this? See, this 10. So in this way typecasting is done. So it's very simple, and keep revising it to get the good understanding of this identifier, reserve words, data types, number operations, and try to code yourself, so you will get the good clarity. Okay, then thank you, bye bye.